Well, the real challenge isn't the cost of labor at all. It's that many shun working in the cleaning industry because of the stigma of the heavy manual labor involved. So we look for smarter ways to do more with less manpower. I first found out about the career conversion program for SME Professionals through SNEF. The funding aspects like salary support helped a lot.
I was worried I wouldn't be able to keep up, but the program helped me build confidence and the team was patient as I picked things up. Now I feel I found a place where I can keep learning and actually see the impact of my work.
By investing in our people, we're not just filling gaps. We're building a workforce that's adaptable, confident, and ready for the future. You have to be bold enough to step forward, then a different outcome can be realized.